Hello guys. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use BLUErabbit from the player's perspective. If you don't have an account, just click register now up here, or if you already have one but you don't remember your password or you were assigned one before, you can reset your password down here. So I am going to register a new account here and let's get started. So once I get registered, it's just going to take a little while. It will load back, and once I'm registered, it will guide me directly into system. So we are in the sandbox and we're going to do whatever we want. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is go to your profile up here and then click on this little icon in here. This way you're going to be able to edit your account, change your profile picture or whatever. I'm going to do that real quick. And here on my profile, I have a lot of pictures. And here we go. Okay, so I upload my picture. I can update um, my additional information. And one thing that you might want to do is test now your player type. This is going to add some information to the system, which might be a little bit fun for you to know a little bit about your player type. So you just go in here, answer, get your player type here, and once we're back to the main screen, you will see that you have now this as a player type. You're now level 1 and you're ready to go. So once we're here, the very first thing you might notice is that you're not going to be only um, seeing everything. You will be looking at the information that corresponds to the track you chose. So in here, as we start, we'll see that I am in the consumer track, and this is some blog posts and some information that will be there. I will also be able to see what challenges I have ahead of myself. And here you can see that I have a quiz, and there's a small milestone here that I can face, and I will also find my navigation menu on the bottom right corner. So the first thing that I want to show you is how to find yourself doing a milestone. So click in the bottom left, which is your journey, and here you can just click do it now, and you just follow the instructions, and you have to answer promptly whatever you're supposed to answer. And once you're done with this, you just submit your information, your work submitted successfully, and when you go back home, you will see now that I got 1,000 points and 100 coins. And it also says that I found a clue. So when I go down, I might find some additional information, some other links, maybe a QR code that somebody else can scan from your cell phone. And when you go back to your home page, you will see that you're now at level 2 up here, and your current experience points are at 1,000, and you will need another 2,000 to keep moving forward. So the next thing is I'm going to go and do the quiz, which is something I want to, it's something very simple. And here are some quiz rules. You can see that the level of challenge up here is at level 1, and you go and you click on your first attempt. And once you're here, it will tell you, get ready, your challenge is starting, and you have to do, what is the name of that game? What do you mean by that game? Maybe the picture in the background will give you a hint. I know that the game is called Control, so I click that and I submit my answers. And once you're that, congrats, your challenge was conquered, and here a quick quiz. You get your information and you're going to be set and ready to go. This is pretty much the interactions that you have to do as a player throughout the system. However, there are more things that might come up. So you will be able to find the achievements that you keep finding through the system by logging into your achievements. And here you can see that you're part of the consumer track, which means that this is just a default achievement that you will be assigned as you log into the system. After that, you will be, as you collect other achievements, you will find them in here, and they might give you more additional points, and this way you can keep moving forward into your journey.